So third-party certification. This is one of the first aspect of don't chance it. Is valid third-party certification is nearly as imperative as legal compliance for a life safety product such as fire curtains. Without it, the risk is on you as a specifier or as a buyer, whatever function you have. Third-party certification is essentially a notified body. Valid third-party certification, a notified body will go into the production facility and actually undertake periodic audits of the production. It'll check the widgets that are coming off the production line, that they are the same as that was tested months or years ago. You know, is the manufacturer making them the same as they had tested? Has there been any deviation? Are the processes the same? Are the components the same? Are the design, is the design the same, identical? And this will all be audited, and that takes a huge amount of risk off you as a specifier. You know, there's no upsides to taking the risk of having a non-third-party certified product, and there's a lot of downsides. We've got an article on the website going into this in a bit more detail. If anyone's interested in that, we can share the link. So just on standards, BS 8524, which is has been a popular standard in the UK. We created it as a country, so we're rightly proud of it 10 years ago. It has been replaced by a European standard, BSEN 16034. It's retained its popularity here in the UK. It doesn't have third-party certification anymore. That expired. The last third-party certification expired in June this year, on June the 9th. Anybody that claims or implies they have valid third-party certification for BS 8524, it is plainly misleading, because it's not. And we have plenty of articles on that just for your peace of mind, and so you can check actual source references. And I think we'd be joined unanimously by all fire industry professionals would advocate using third-party certification or not using a life safety product without valid third-party certification. The only exception there would be if somebody had a vested interest for saying otherwise, but which we can obviously ignore those for when we're looking at just pure life safety advice. And we just mentioned there, unless there's no alternative, obviously, but in this case with fire curtains, there is an alternative. And here we've got it, BSEN 16034. It's current, it's valid, it's got third-party certification, it's a comprehensive standard, it's a European standard, which we've seen. The Building Safety Act has a consultation out at the moment on removing BS 476 series in favour of European standards. They are deemed generally to be more thorough, and especially in connection with the fire test, they expose the product to more thermal exposure, and it's legally required. And this is a borrowing the old war poster, don't take the risk without valid third-party certification, the risk is on you